Experiencing issues with your T-Mobile Alcatel Hotspot? Let's address the most common problems: incorrect APN settings and SIM card issues. First, ensure your APN access point name is set to fast.tmobile.com in your hotspot settings under Networks, Mobile Networks, Access Point Names. Incorrect settings can lead to data throttling or no internet connection. Double-check for typos as the APN is case-sensitive. Next, power off your device and reseat the SIM card. If the issue persists and your device supports eSIM, consider switching via the T-Mobile app. These steps resolve most connectivity problems related to network access. If APN and SIM adjustments don't solve the issue, a factory reset might be necessary to clear corrupted firmware or software glitches. A factory reset should be your last resort when other troubleshooting steps fail. Access factory reset through Settings, System, Reset Options, Factory Data Reset. Navigate to the System Settings menu, where reset options are located. Important: back up any data before proceeding, as this process erases all custom configurations. After the reset, reconnect to the T-Mobile network using your credentials. Then update the device firmware to prevent recurring issues. According to T-Mobile support data, factory resets successfully resolve software issues in most cases.